Do you think people should read Mein Kampf?
They should read everything. I think why should they not read? I am not in favor of banning any books at all. In many countries, Mein Kampf is still banned. But I am not in favor of banning Mein Kampf. I am glad I read Mein Kampf. उसी की वजह से तो मुझे पता चला कि भारत के बारे में और भारतीय लोग, भारतीय संस्कृति, भारतीय समाज, भारतीय सिविलाइजेशन के बारे में हिटलर के थॉट्स क्या थे.
हम उसकी नज़र में हमारा क्या दर्जा
अगर
था?
वो बैंड होता तो मुझे पता ही नहीं चलता.
और ये किताब ही नहीं बनती. सर एंड ऑल्सो आई थिंक कि एक इंसान ये पढ़ के ये जान सकता है कि व्हाट इज़ द मैडमैन्स पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू.
Yes.
और आप उससे बच सकते हैं.
Yes.
And sir, I think by bringing out this book into the public domain, I think you're just, complimenting, you're appreciating, and you're paying back the gratitude, the independence that we have achieved because of the efforts of so many great revolutionaries, people, scholars, young minds. You're bringing back alive the point of view of them back in those 3 decades from 20s to 50s.
Absolutely. That was an important thing for me to do. I wanted to do that. Those Indian voices needed to come back into the present. Whatever Saumendranath Tagore went through in the Nazi prisons, what A.C.N. Nambiar went through in the Nazi lockup, the sufferings they had, the torture they suffered, the beatings that they suffered, and the discrimination they faced, the manner in which they were threatened and beaten up and thrown out of Germany. We as Indians need to be aware of these things.
And aware of the right things indeed.
Absolutely.
So kudos to your book. I'll definitely have a read about it. I was researching a lot about, this interview, of all the interviews that you have given. But I'm glad that, one of your major mainstream podcasts on Hitler and India is coming through us first. And I'm so proud to say that.
Thank you, Raj.
I'm so proud to
Thank
say
you
that.
for your kind words.
No, sir. Trust me, it's my honor. It's a sheer moment of gratitude for me. जो मैंने visualize किया था वो, as I said in the beginning itself, कि मैंने आपको किसी और interview में देखा था ना, आज I'm talking to you. I'm really, really, really humbled, really grateful, and thank you so much, sir, for coming over here and being so generous to us, being so kind to us.
Thank you for inviting me, Raj. Thanks.
Yeah. Sir, आखिरी एक मतलब कह सकते हैं कि थोड़ा सा investigating point of view से I just want to ask. After 1945, a lot of Nazis fled back to Argentina. So back in Argentina after 1945, a lot of Hitler sympathizers, Nazi sympathizers, great lieutenants and generals, people who had important posts in Nazi Germany, the Third Reich, fled to Argentina and they lived there. Their kids are still living there. There's an entire town where they speak Germany. And during the last years of the war, Joseph Goebbels, the propaganda minister of Hitler and the second in command after Hitler in the last days, उन्होंने सर एक public gathering, एक public speech दिया from the bunker, and he said that he's not flooding Germany and I'm going to commit suicide with my wife. उन्होंने अपने बच्चों को साइनाइड दिया, वो मर गए नींद में.
मार्था गोबल्स, इसकी बीवी.
हाँ, और एक दूसरे को उन्होंने शूट कर दिया. सर, व्हाट आर द चांसेस कि हिटलर के जाने के बाद या उस अर्जेंटीना के उस क्षेत्र में भी इस सोच को आगे बढ़ाने की एक कंट्रोवर्सी रची गई, एक प्रोपेगेंडा रचा गया, और क्या वो सोच आज भी दुनिया के किसी हिस्से में नज़र आती है?
नहीं, उसका प्रयत्न तो ज़रूर हुआ नाज़ी लोगों का कि नाज़ी सोच उसके बाद भी आगे लेके चले, लेकिन वो इतने सक्सेसफुल नहीं हुए. और जर्मन लोगों को इम्पॉर्टेंटली ये पता चल गया कि नाज़िज़्म से उनका कितना बहुत बड़ा नुकसान हुआ है. तो इसलिए वो सोच ज़्यादा बड़ी आगे नहीं बढ़ सकी. और अगर हम इतिहास के बारे में पूर्ण तरह दुर्लक्ष्य करेंगे तो वो सोच आगे बढ़ सकती है, लेकिन अगर हम इतिहास को ध्यान में रखें, then we can ensure that such ideologies do not go forward.
Ever come back again?
Come back.
Sir,
yeah.
People in Germany today, they don't even like to speak about Hitler.
Yes, absolutely. They don't even like the mention of the man's name.
With their name, with their legacy, with their history. But yeah, we can't forget that there existed a man who just wanted to rule the world and thought that Third Reich would survive for 1,000 years. Damn. So, what if you were to give one word, or like not one word, but your entire, जो बोलते हैं ना कि आपने घोल के पिया है अपनी किताब को, 10 साल आपने दिए हैं, अगर आपको हिटलर का अपने एक नज़रिए से कुछ समझाना है कि ये कौन था, ये क्यों था, ये क्या था, 2-3 ऐसे शब्दों में अगर ख़त्म करना है उसको, तो आप क्या कहेंगे कि ऐसे लोग दुनिया में क्यों आते हैं, और आते हैं तो इस लेवल पर कैसे पहुंचते हैं?
हिटलर इज़ अ मैन विद अ ट्विस्टेड माइंड. इतना ही मैं कहना चाहूँगा, क्योंकि वो जब आदमी का माइंड ट्विस्टेड हो जाता है तो कुछ भी कर सकता है. और उसका एक फैनेटिसिज्म एक एक्स्ट्रॉर्डिनरी लेवल का फैनेटिसिज्म था और वो फैनेटिसिज्म लेके वो आगे चला और अनफॉर्चुनेटली उसके फैनेटिसिज्म की वजह से उसके पूरे समाज को नुकसान
भरना पड़ा।
भरना पड़ा उसका. द अनफॉर्चुनेट पार्ट इज जर्मनी सफर्ड एंड मेनी पार्ट्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड सफर्ड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट.
एब्सोल्युटली, एब्सोल्युटली. मेरा सौभाग्य था सर आपको यहाँ पर लाना. सो दिस वाज एपिसोड 14th with Mr. Weber Purandare sir. I hope you enjoyed the conversation. कैसा लगा सर आपको?
Completely enjoyed it. It was a good time talking to you.
Absolutely.
Thanks
absolutely.
for inviting me.
And sir, do you think we covered in all the topics that your book is? I mean, we just scratched the surface in this podcast.
Yeah, there's a lot more. We spoke about quite a bit. There's a lot more in the book. So if people who are interested in these subjects, and I think everybody is interested in history, especially in the history of Hitler and
Yeah.
World War II,
Yeah.
can take a look at it if they want to.
Absolutely. And not from the Indian point of view. It hasn't been said before, it hasn't been shown before, and it hasn't been presented before the way I think we are going to present with this podcast.
Absolutely. That's why I've called my
Yeah.
book The Untold Story.
Untold story. Correct. And sir, do you have any message for our audiences where they can find this book?
They can find the book everywhere in bookstores across the country and on Amazon and any other platform, online platform that they buy stuff from. They can just get it anywhere.
तो आप लोग प्लीज़ जाइए सर की इस किताब को खरीदिए, प्लीज़ पढ़िए, मेक श्योर दैट यू एजुकेट योरसेल्फ एंड द राइट वे about Hitler and India, the untold story of that man's hatred towards our people. It is very important to know our history because we always learn from our history. मैं इस किताब की डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक अटैच करूँगा and you can always go and you can just click on it and buy it. Please जाइए, पढ़िए. Thank you so much, Vaibhav sir. I mean, it's an honor. Thank you, sir.
Thanks, Raj, again. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Take
thanks,
care.
thanks.